Hello, hi everyone. How you doing? Good,
I'm
good,
pretty good.
cool,
Yes.
cool. So last month was a very slow month. Uh, I guess it's happened to everyone, and I don't know if in the next few months it's gonna get better. But I think that if you've been around long enough, we should know that the mortgage market is like this. Up and down. During the slow time like this, a lot of people will leave the industry. But when the market return to thing will be so much better. So we need to hang tight. So in today's webinar, I will show you everything about Loan Factory. I will show you the technology that we use, the benefit that we offer our loan officers, and we will open up for any question at the end. So during the webinar, please raise your hand if you have any question about what I just talked about. But if it's something not related, please wait to the end. Okay? So I will start now. I will share with you my screen. Okay. And here is my screen. This is the home page. And user when they come to the website, they will learn that the website is fully functional. You visited a lot of website, and most of the website are more like cosmetic. It look pretty, but it doesn't do the work. Here, our website, uh, we have a pricing engine here on the right side for the consumer to check the rate. And on the left side, we launched $1,000 lowest rate. So as we all know, all loan officers claim that we have the best rate, we have the lowest rate. But because all of us claim that we have the best rate, the consumer do not believe us, right? They're confused. And nowadays, loan officer advertise crazy. And because all loan officer advertise crazy, it confused the consumer. So the consumer, if you want to win business, you need to impress them, right? You need to make yourself different or better than your competitor. Otherwise, the consumer won't go to you. They won't choose you as the loan officer. You know, if you don't have if you don't promote yourself, if you don't advertise, how does the consumer know about you, right? So that is the reason why you can see that most top producer, they are very active on social media. They post crazy. They do a lot of crazy things to get the attention of the consumer. So you should ask yourself, what have you done to get the attention of your potential clients, right? It's not that easy. You need to show that you are better, you are good. And the $1,000 lowest rate guarantee is something that you can use to promote yourself, right? You can say, if I can beat another offer, I will give you $1,000. I mean, this will impress anyone. So when you join Loan Factory, you can promote this program. And we right now we roll it out in 11 states. We roll it out in 11 states. This program, when you promote this, in case the worst possible case that we cannot beat the offer, then we have to pay $1,000. Loan Factory will pay. You don't have to pay. So this program, we have terms and conditions, and we only honor fixed rate conventional conforming loan. no jumbo, no high balance loan. We also honor FHA and VA loan. We will exclude builder preferred lender. So and the consumer can simply upload their loan estimate for us to match and beat that right here. Any question about this program? Yes, hi. Please unmute it. Still cannot hear you. Just try to find out what happened.
There we go. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Thank you for taking my question. Is this $1,000 thing required? Do we have to promote this? Because the reason why I say this is because what if I can close a loan and and I know how to do it better, especially when I don't piecemeal something and I'm sending it into the lender, and you have somebody that's giving a better rate, but they can't follow through on closing the loan. You know what I mean?
I do understand. So yeah, you don't have to promote this. You can just ignore it if you don't want to. And you don't have to.
It's just in the bag of tools.
Yeah.
If we need it.
It's just a marketing tool, but
Gotcha.
It's a program and we honor that. We track everything. But like I said, if you don't want to mention about that, just ignore it. That's it.
Very good. Thank you.
And by the way, every loan officer at Loan Factory, we will build a website like this for you. So you have your own website, your own domain name, your own pricing engine, your own application. You have everything like this. We build one website like this for you, and it's free.
Awesome. Thank you.
Hi, George. Hello, George.
Hey, thank you for taking my question. You actually answered what I was going to ask you. What I wanted to know is how do we customize it? Because anybody can go in there and submit their information, submit a GFE, and then get that $1,000, or it can become somebody else's lead. I wanted to know how we can guide our clients to this website, and then be confident that whatever information they enter is going to be for us and not as a lead source for somebody else.
Good question. So basically, here is, let me see, where's the loan officer? Here are the loan officer at Loan Factory, and you can see that some of the loan officer here, they have their own website, right? Let me see. Let's zoom here. So her website, I'm not sure why it's not here. Okay, I need to fix this. Let me see, hold on. So this is a pricing engine here. Let me come back to that very soon. So the consumer can run the pricing and can see the rate. And right below, we show our loan officer, some of the top one. And you can check out, see, Nguyen, she has her own website. And this is a website that we built for her. And you can just simply ignore this program. So basically, you can customize your website. If you don't want to promote this, you just simply turn it off. So there's many ways. So for example, on your website, you can decide whether you want to hide or show the lender name. You can pick how many lenders you want to show on your pricing engine. It's your choice. You can also determine what is your compensation. So like at the main website, I set my compensation at 1%. But on your website, you can set it at 1.5 or 2 or 2.5. It's up to you, wherever you want to set it up. And you can hide all of this if you want to. So there's a lot of flexibility. There's a lot of customization that you can do on your website. Yeah. So by the way, here's the pricing engine. And we all agree that technology is important. And we proudly have the best technology. Our pricing engine is better than Loan Shifter because it's super easy to use. Consumer want easy to use pricing engine, right? And you can have the pricing engine to show that to your clients, and it is easy to use, and it's more powerful because we ask for their income, and if their income is qualified, they can qualify for this program, like the LLPA waiver program. For example, this is in San Jose, California. And if their income is $216,000 or less, they qualify to get LLPA waiver program. So they get the best possible rate. They get the best possible rate. And you can see right now it's 6.625%. Consumer can expand it and compare. And they can see that the ranking of all the lenders. CMG have the best rate right now, and then Provident Funded. Some lender down here have higher rate, a lot higher rate. So this is an example to show you that how important it is to use a pricing engine, how important it is to shop around for your client, how important it is to offer them the best possible rate so that you won't lose the deal, so that the client will love you and appreciate you. And we run the pricing engine on every single loan. And even though we send a lot of loan to Rocket, but in this case, we're gonna send loan to CMG or Provident Funded because the difference is over $2,000. It doesn't make sense to send loan to any lender that give you higher rate. And this is why I think that a lot of loan officers out there are not smart. They send most of their business to one lender, and you know the name of the lender out there. And we all agree that their rates are high, but we still send loan to that lender. You know, this is not good at all. It's not smart at all when you run a business and you have a higher price because you don't shop around for your client, because you don't use the pricing engine. You don't know which lender have better rate, or you're unable to send the loan to this lender because you never work with them, you don't approve by them, or you don't have time to learn their system. So the benefit of working with Loan Factory, we have so much resources, not only the technology, but the resources to help you send your loan to any lender you want to and save the money for your clients. You know, so those are very powerful. Not only that, but the consumer can click here to apply, or they can create a rate alert. So you will, if you are smart, you should try to win every single client. And a lot of clients, they come to your website, they come to you so that they can refinance in the future. So you need to capitalize on that. You need to show them that you have good rate. You should allow them to create a rate alert, because all borrowers out there, the one who bought house in the past 2 years, they have high rate. They want to refinance. So if you allow them to create a rate alert, they will love you, because the rate alert will monitor the rate for them and help them. When rate drop, they get notified and they can start the refinance. So the tool, the technology are so important. The consumer can see the fee. They can click on view fee, and they can see all the fee. They can even compare the rate. See, we show up here that they can compare. They can compare whether they should buy down or not, or they can compare with a 20-year, and then they can look at the difference. Compare now, they can see that they can save $220,000 by going with a 20-year fix rather than a 30-year fix. So give them all the tools that they want, the consumer, so that they appreciate you. And when they create a rate alert, let's say they want 6.125, they can create a rate alert, and the system will capture their information. The system will capture the information, and you will have their information, and you can call them and talk to them and win their business. So this kind of simple technology is so powerful, but then most loan officers don't have. We have all of these for you. You can simply click on the copy link here to share, or you can click on the share button here to share with everyone. And this is really powerful. When you talk to your client on the phone, you try to quote rate, and you can tell them to give you their email address so that you can send the rate quote to them, so that they have the number in front of them when you talk about the numbers. You know, if you talk to them without the number in front of them, they are confused. They get lost. They don't trust you. But if you can tell them, hey, open your email, let's go over the number together, they will love you, right? This is a tool, very important tool that all of us should have and should use. Okay. Any questions about this? And you can see, let me give you one little example how powerful it is. So for example, if we run a pricing where the consumer is buying a home with 20% down, but then the credit score is 650, right? Then you can see, let's say you don't use this tool, you quote them a normal rate. The rate can be 7.125, and that is the best lender, Provident funded. All other lenders have worse rate. The rate is so high, 7.125, so high because low credit score and high LTV, right? You can click on it to see that there's an adjustment of 2.25% because of low credit score, right? Now, because you use our software, you use our pricing engine, and the client tell you that their income is 200,000. Now you can give them a different quote, and the client rate now dropped to 6.375%. You think about this. You quote the rate of 7.25. The client come to Loan Factory and get a quote from me at 6.375. Who's gonna win? Right? So it's just one simple example. One simple example. Or if the client want to refinance and they want to go 30 years, but then you can simply switch them to 20 years and show them the saving, 220,000. You think they will say no to refinance when they can save that much money, right? So that's why it's important to use the right tool, to send the right message to your client so that they can see the benefit, so that they can do loan with you. It's no brainer. So that's why I see the importance of technology, and that's why I invest so much in technology, and that's why I keep growing my business and doing better and better. Hi, Christian.
Hi. Are you helping people with their credit scores prior to closing their loans?
Yes, that is a very good question. So we all know credit score is one of the most important factors affecting their qualification and affecting their rate, right? And when the credit score is low, we can help them increase the score so that they can get better rate. And there are two types of problems that the consumer are facing. The first one is a permanent problem. Let's say they have a foreclosure, bankruptcy, a late payment. Those problems will take a long time to fix, to improve the score. But there's some other problem that we can quickly help them increase the score. Like if they utilize a lot of credit, they max out the credit limit. Or, yeah, most of the time when they max out the credit limit, they have bad credit score. And if we simply pay down the balance, the score will go up a lot. Yeah,
Do
go
you
ahead.
work with one credit, I guess, lender? Like my other boss, who do you work with FICO?
We don't work with FICO, but we work with Rocket Mortgage.
Rocket
And
Mortgage.
all we can do it ourselves. We can help the client increase the score quickly. We can do a rapid rescore. So we can run the analysis and find out that if we want to hit 720, we need to pay down this credit line to this much. So we can run the analysis and know exactly what we need to do in order to get the score that we want. And we can do a rapid rescore to help our clients. Our lender, like Rocket Mortgage, they also offer the same service for free. So we can submit the loan to them for them to underwrite the loan. At the same time, we can click a button on their website and say, help me increase the score. They will do both at the same time. And a week later, when the score go up, they will tell us. And then we apply the new credit score to the pricing. So the client will get better pricing. It is free. So it's a great service.
Yeah,
We do this all the time. Yeah.
yeah.
Thank you, Chris. So, thank you. Hi, George.
Hey, just wondering, do we pull credit on your platform here? And if
Yes.
so, how much is it per credit pull?
Yes, we recommend you to pull it on our website because it's convenient. It's all in one. Yeah, it's very, our technology, we build everything. So you can do anything. You can pull credit report. You can click on, you can do one-click AUS to run LPA and DO. You can look at the AUS findings. You can do all of that. Yes.
And how much is the fee per pull?
0. We don't trust.
Really?
Oh, I'm sorry. For the credit report, you have to pay for that. We will create an account for you with our credit vendor, Advantage Credit. You pay for wherever you pull.
Right. And how much do they charge per credit pull? I guess I'm trying to see like what the fees are associated with it.
$92 this year. Last year, $70. Now it's go up to $92. And I believe we have the lowest cost right now.
$92 per credit pull.
Oh, Tri-Most credit pool, yes.
Do you,
Okay.
sorry,
thank you.
hi, this is Jeannie. Do you charge the the client upfront for that credit report fee?
It's up to you. It's up to you. Our system is really smart. You can configure your website that you want the client to pay upfront or not. So it's up to you.
Okay.
So
Thank
the
you.
client, when they fill out the application on the liability page, they can click a button and pay for and pull the credit report themselves. It's up to you. For me, I turn it off, I pay for it. But it's getting so expensive nowadays.
Thank you. It could add up a lot if you to run.
Yes.
Yeah.
But then we will get it back from the borrower when they close the loan. Only when they don't close the loan, we lose the money. Okay. Let me continue. So as you can see, our pricing engine is really powerful. When you adjust these, you can see the program that they can qualify for. And here are some good programs that I want you to know. Let's say here, you can see that they qualify for 2-1 lender pay buy down. So the lender will pay for it. This is a Rocket program, and you can see it here. This is a great program to promote. Rocket Pro TPO here. They have, where's the 2-1 buy down? It's here. They qualify for it. It's weird. I need to find out why. I'm sorry. So let me continue. So later on, you can see more about technology. So far, you only see the pricing engine, right? Our technology platform, we build everything. We build our own pricing engine, POS, LOS, CRM, we build everything and we give it to you for free. So when you join Loan Factory, you don't have to pay for any technology. You save that money. You don't have to pay for any other fee. We don't charge you a monthly fee, none. So if you join Loan Factory and 6 months, you don't close any loan, you don't pay anything. Okay. Unlike most other companies, they charge you a lot every month. And you will be trained by me and our COO. So we have a weekly sales call where you can join and learn from each other, learn from me. We have, when you join, we will provide you for training on how to use our system, on how to use our pricing engine, how to do marketing. So you will be trained. And we have a marketing team to help you. So if you need help with marketing, they will provide help for free. We also provide underwriting support for free. So let's say if you have a very difficult loan, too complicated, you don't know how to calculate DTI, they can help you. If you have a difficult scenario, like non-QM loan, you don't know which lender or which program the client should qualify, then our underwriter can help you. It's all free. And you can talk to them. They will help you. Any scenario, any question. We don't charge monthly fee, no desk fee, no junk fee. The commission will pay you 100% minus a flat fee of $5.95. And we believe that this is the best deal out there. Most broker and lender charge you more. We only keep $5.95 flat fee. You keep 100% commission. Also, we charge $500 in-house processing fee. Most other charge more than this. The processing fee out there is like from $800 to $1,000. We charge only $500. And we do more. We do more than other place. The processor will take over the loan when it's ready to be submitted, all the way to funded. Even after funded, they will take care of the compliance for you. You only need to request for commission, you know. So we try to free you up so that you can focus on your clients, focus on networking, on marketing to bring in more deals. The commission can be 1099 or W2, and you can earn up to 250 bps. You decide. So lender pay, we set it at 250. In California, we set lender pay to 200 only, but outside of California, it's 250. And if you need to compete against other loan officer, you need to win, then you can switch to borrow pay and lower your compensation. That is one way. Another way is you can submit the loan to our correspondent channel so that you can adjust the pricing. Any questions so far? Yeah, hi Ras. Hi Ras.
I had a question regarding the processing. So when it goes to the processor, would we be updated with whatever's happening about the loan, or once we send it to the processor, we are out of the loop?
No, everything on the cloud. So you and the borrower and the processor, we all see the same copy. So you always inform. You can log into the website. You can see everything.
Great. One more thing regarding the what do you call that? The adjustment of the fees. Would I be able to adjust individually for different clients, or I have to have the same thing for every client?
Yeah, you can adjust the origination fee for every client. You can adjust, but you have to switch to borrow pay, or you have to send it to correspondent channel.
Gotcha. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Nguyen.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, good.
Thank you for taking my call and my question. I wanted to know in regards to appraisals, is that included in the flat fee and processing, or is that on top or in addition to?
Appraisal is the responsibility of the borrower. They have to pay for it.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Nguyen. Thank you. Hey, George.
Yes, thank you. So I notice here it says receive up to $5,000 when referring a loan officer, and that's great. But what are the options as far as like quote unquote branch building and getting an overrides on loan officers you bring in?
Yes, yes. I will go over that pretty soon on the team and mentorship concept. I will go over that quickly. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Hi, Tuer.
Yes. I wanted to know more about the company leads program.
Yes. So in the past, I am licensed in all 48 states, and I do loan in 48 states. But I try to support you more. So in 42 states, I will not originate loan. So the consumer who go to loanfactory.com and fill out the application in these 42 states, I will give it to the loan officer as a company lead. And because the quality is good, the borrower already fill out the application, the chance that we can close the loan is very high. And you do very little because we have processor take care of the loan. So we pay you 25 bps on this loan. You do very little. But the benefit, another benefit is you are the loan officer of the loan. You have that relationship. And in the future, if the client come back to refinance or more business, you will capture that business as well. So in 42 states, we give our company lead, company loan. But remember that we have a lot of loan officers, but not a lot of these company loan. So we also prioritize. If you are good, it is likely that you'll get more loans from the company. If you're not good, we will stop sending you the lead. Yeah. And then for the referral, when you join Loan Factory, you can refer loan officer to Loan Factory, and you can earn the referral fee. Let's see. How come we don't have it here? Here, refer. See, you can refer and earn up to $5,000 if the referral close 50 loans or more per year.
So how does a new loan officer with Loan Factory get in line for company leads? How does that work?
Yeah, it's basically, this is what we do. When you join Loan Factory, you go to your profile. You can say, I want to be a loan. I want to receive company lead. You check the box. And then let's say you are licensed in Nebraska. And let's say the company have a company loan in Nebraska. So we send out a text message to all loan officers who are licensed in Nebraska and want to work on company lead. Then you get a text message, and whoever responds first will get that.
Okay, that sounds fair. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. So one more question. Is Texas one of those 42 states or no?
No, not Texas. The 6 states that we don't give lead are California, Texas, Florida, Hawaii, Missouri, and I think Washington.
Okay.
So those are the 6 states that we keep.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, Jenny.
Hey, Thuan, thanks for having me, and I'm definitely going to be on the team. I'm looking forward to it, and thanks for taking the time to host this presentation. I appreciate you. Yeah, just a question. Let's say if I'm licensed in Texas, and I get an application from Idaho, can I refer that application to someone else on our team that's licensed for a split?
So there's a lot of questions about this. Let me share with you. Let me share with you about this team concept and mentorship concept. So if you are a new loan officer or inexperienced loan officer, we pay you only 80% instead of 100% for the first 3 transactions. However, if you join a team or if you join a mentor, we pay you 100% so that you have money to split with the team leader or the mentor. So we do have a team concept and mentorship concept. So this is our marketplace. This is a completely new. You probably don't know about this, but marketplace is a very cool concept where you can come here and you can offer help or receive help. So when you go to the marketplace, you can see our underwriter is live to help you and our support specialist to help you. So if you have any question, you can talk to our support specialist live. Or if you have underwriting question, you can talk to our underwriter live to get help. I don't think any other company offer you this. And they have an open schedule. The support on Saturday and Sunday as well. Underwriting is on business hour. Okay. And we have more than 20 different departments to help you. IT support, if you have a complaint, if you have a question about licensing, accounting, compliance, and all you need to do is click on the ticket, create a ticket for them to help you. You know, you can create a ticket for them to help you. That is different department. On the team, we have many teams. You can join a team by clicking, I want to join this team. Or you can reach out to the team leader, talk to them before you decide whether you want to join them or not. You need to find out what is the split with them, right? And when you click on the team, it's not showing up. Anyway, you can read information for the team right here, and you can decide whether you want to join the team or not. Or you can click here if you want to create your own team. So as the team leader, you can earn an override from your team member. And you can have different split with different team member. The system will keep track of the split and pay you automatically. So as a team leader, you can have a split 80-20 with a team member. And you can have another split 70-30 to another team member. And when the team member closes a loan, you get paid automatically. The system will do this all automatically. Okay. So that is the concept of a team. You can build a team. And then the benefit is we have a lot of team members who want to join your team. So they go here, they click on it, and you can see a lot of teams have 23 members. So you can join a team and get help. Or you can join a mentor. A mentor is more of a short term than a team, right? You can join a mentor anytime and leave anytime. If you don't like the mentor, you leave. So it's more like a short term mentor. But again, they can split with you, and we show the split here. Okay. So this is how you can build a team. You can earn an override. You can help your team member or the mentee. Any question on the team and mentor? It's very simple. You help each other. And we also have production partner. This is a new program we just launched. So you can, let's say you are an expert in VA loan or reverse mortgage. You can sign up as a production partner so that any loan officer that have VA loan or reverse mortgage, they don't know what to do. they will reach out to you. And when you help them together, you will share the commission together. Okay, so production partner is really powerful as well. If you have a loan, you need help, you can get someone to help you. So collaboration and helping each other is our principle. We want to help each other. Okay, so this is our marketplace. It's really cool. And you can go to the lender here. You can see that we are working with 230 lender, 230 lender total. And right now, 8 of them are online. If you want to talk to any of them, you can click on the live button and you can talk to them. Okay, you can, on here, you can look up any lender like Amwest. You can see the product that being offered. Let's say if you have a private loan, you can click here and you can see that 84 lenders offer private loan. 84 lenders offer private loan. And if you have a question, you can click on email this lender a scenario. You can click on it. Then you can write a scenario and you can send it out to go out to all of this lender, this scenario. So think about this. In the past, I bet most of you, all of you, already say no to many borrower or realtor who come to you and say, hey, Kevin, can you help me with a private loan? Can you help me with a commercial loan? Can you help me with a mobile home loan? And most of you say no, because you or your company don't offer that. Now you don't have to say no anymore. You can write a scenario here and ask the lender for them to help you. Remember, lenders are hungry for your business. So if you connect with them and ask them the scenario, they will love to help you, right? So no more, you don't have to say no anymore. You can pick a commercial. You see that 41 lenders can do commercial loan. You can select a reverse mortgage. We have 15 lenders can do reverse mortgage. We can do charter home loan or mobile home loan, 5 lenders. So see how powerful it is and how important it is not to say no to your clients and your realtor. You don't want to lose them. You can go down to this little program like DPA, Document Assistant, FHA, FHA 203. 19 lenders can do it. Any question on this?
Yeah, I have a question. This is Jeannie. So for a brand new agent, actually going back to mortgage, I done mortgage before, but it was about 10 years ago. What would you suggest as far as getting clients and marketing, or just get it started again?
I would love to wait what I'm talking about, and yet please wait to the end. I love to answer all of them.
Okay, thank you.
So the lender finder officer posting question. I need a lender that can complete cash out refinance on an investment property with a borrower with a credit score of 570. And then the lender will answer back. Any difficult loan, you can go here and ask. Then some lender will get back to you. And you can see within one day, 7 on today, there's a lot of people asking questions and a lot of answer. You can learn all of this. Very valuable. Hi, George.
Yeah, I just want to know, I've been done mortgages in a while. Are interest-only loans still a thing? Do you still offer those?
I don't know any lender offer that, but I think some non-current lender does offer that. But I want to stay away from that because the rate is higher. It's not good for the borrower unless it's short term. They plan to refinance it.
Yeah, no, it was mostly for I have a couple of friends that are investors, so they're looking for 2
Yes.
3 year, 5 year maximum interest only loans, and then you need the adjustable period
I
kicks in
can
afterward.
find that. You can go ahead and post a lender inquiry, and they will answer you.
Okay.
Here is the event. At our company, we post everything on our marketplace, and you can see that we have these training, LO orientation, LO success theory on the pricing. I will provide training on January 9. I will, Jessica will offer the prospect. I will offer training on leads and marketing. And there's a lot of training that we offer. And you can keep going. You can see a lot of program. And on the completed event, you can watch it. You can watch these series, the training. So this is how good is our technology. We make everything available for you. We train you. We allow you to watch the video if you miss us. We have trade show. We have not entered yet. Okay. Let's see. Yes, Wisdom.
Hi. I've been like scouting around trying to find, which company to drop into. And I have a question that I haven't heard you ask. Do you do callbacks, and do you use AIs for anything?
What is the first question? Callback?
Yeah.
What exactly callback?
Callback. Well, when somebody you have a proposition with somebody, you want to call them like once a week and make sure that they have at least a video or something from you so they feel comfortable closing the loan. And from what I hear, because I'm pretty new at this myself, that you're supposed to give them a call back once a week after the loan is completed for like 6 months, just to see if
I will show you that. That is the CIM. I will show you that. Regarding to the AI, we are the forefront of AI. We build our own technology. So regarding technology, we are the leader. So for example, you or the client want to fill out the application. You can see this is our application, right? You or the client can answer, can fill out the application. And when this is how we create an account for the client. The client can create an account, right?
Mm-hmm.
They create an account so that they can come back and finish the application. So you can see right here, we have AI application. Consumer or you as a loan officer can fill out the application within 2 minutes or less. So fast. All you need to do is drag in your document here. It can be a driver license, tax return, pay stub, W-2 bank statement.
So what does this AI do?
The AI will read the document and fill out the application for you or for your client. So it's like a human person. It's like a person. It's like your assistant. It will
Very
read
intelligent, these AIs.
Exactly. It will fill out the application for you.
It fills out the application for you. Does it do callbacks?
No, because it's not good enough yet. We don't want AI to call our client.
Okay.
In the future, we might allow that, but
Does it
don't-
generate leads?
It's not, AI is not that good yet.
Okay.
We still have to do it ourselves.
How do you
But
get leads?
you have to do a lot of marketing. You have to promote yourself. You need to make yourself available and stand out to your prospect. Yeah. So that we can talk about in another section. But my quick advice is you need to learn from the top producer. You need to learn from me by following me, following all the top producers out there. Whatever they do, you try to do the same. You need to think how they do, what they do, how they do it, so that they have so many clients. but I'm going to share with you a little more later on how I do everything.
Thank you.
And after the webinar, if you put everything together, you will see why I am the top loan officer in the country. Because I do everything so efficiently. I do everything so much different and better than everyone else. No one can compare with what I do. AI application, pricing engine that can help me get the best possible rate and the best possible saving for my clients. I give analysis right away on the spot. I do business very transparent. I don't hide anything so that they trust me. And trust is everything in this business. If they trust you, they go with you no matter what. They don't care anything else, So my goal is to always gain trust from my client. And in order to gain trust from your client, you need to show them that you are a good loan officer. You need to, one thing that I keep telling people, and I keep telling all loan officers out there, that they don't take their business seriously. We all know that Google review is so important nowadays. Everything you do, you look up review, right? You go to a restaurant, you get a service, you look at the review to find out about the vendor, about the restaurant. So the same thing happened to our client. Before they trust you, before they give you the loan, that's so important. They need to look up on you. They need to find out how good you are. They try to look up and find out the review about you. For the past client, they write about you. But 90% of the loan officers out there don't have a Google reviews. And the one that have Google review have only a few reviews, not good. And if you look at Loan Factory, you see how many reviews we have. And not only this many reviews, but it's perfect 5-star review. And you think about this, the client have to compare. The client now they are comparing, and they need to pick you or me. They look up you up online, and they don't see your review, or only see 5 reviews. They look up on me, and they see that I have over 6,000 5-star reviews. They will pick me for sure because I have a perfect 5-star with 6,000 reviews. What is the chance that something might go wrong when they work with me? 0. Because that 6,000 5-star review is a big statement. They will trust me. So when you work with Loan Factory, we will do everything possible to help you. We help you set up Google review. We help you obtain the 5-star review from the clients. We know how to do this, and we do it so easy. So for example, I can share with you, our technology is amazing. So not only the technology, but our service is top notch. Our technology. So I can share with you that everything we do is better. First, everything transparent. The pricing is transparent. We create rate alert for them. Let me share with you. Okay, the client, when they fill out application with other company, take them forever. It's a lot of hassle. At Loan Factory, 2 minutes application. AI can help them. At Loan Factory, they check the rate. They know what is the rate they can get. When they fill out the application, the AI, our system will notify you and say, Crystal, there's someone named Kevin fill out an application right now. We text it to you right away so that you can pick up your phone and call, hey Brian, I saw you fill out an application right now. If you have questions, if you run into any problem filling out the application, let me know. I can be on the phone to help you finish the application.
I thought you text that out to everybody, and the first person to get it or to punch that they want that.
No. When they fill out application, it belongs to the company. So when they finish the application, that is when we text it out to the loan officer.
Okay, directly to each person.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Then you can call the borrower and help them. So when the borrower fill out the application, on your website. Every loan officer have a website. Then you as the loan officer will get notified and call the
Gotcha.
borrower right away. And then you help the borrower finish the application and upload document and everything, right? Then you will, as a loan officer, you will log in to the app to your portal. You review the application, review documents, you check the pricing, and then you decide which lender you send the loan to. You will call the borrower up and say, hey Brian, thank you for filling out the application and submit the completed application. I reviewed your application, everything good to go now. I'm going to submit your loan to PennyMac. The lender will approve your loan within a day. After the loan is approved, I will call you again to go over all the conditions that the borrower is asking for. I have an assistant. My processor name is Kevin Smith. So Kevin and I will work helping you closing the loan. So you can work with Kevin or you can work with me. It's up to you.
Okay. And that's the processing fee of $100 for them to do that.
The processor will help you close the loan. They will work with the
Yes. Yeah.
clients. So you introduce your processor to your client.
Yes.
That way, the client will love you even more.
Yeah.
Because you're not a solo loan officer. You have
Correct.
a team. You have a team, and together your team is helping your clients. The client would love to work with a team better than working with one loan officer.
I bet.
Because they know that if the loan officer is busy, they will call the team member, right? So, and then you tell the client that within the day, the lender will approve your loan. We will go over a condition together. And if we clear all the conditions, we can close the loan. You explain the process. And you will tell them that, by the way, I create a rate alert for you.
Yeah.
Every morning, the rate alert will email you the rate. Can you please check your email every morning around 9, 10 o'clock? And if you like the rate, call me, I will lock the rate for you. If you don't like the rate, keep monitoring that. But please be careful because we have 30 days to close. So make sure that we have to lock the rate in the next 2 weeks at most. We cannot wait too long. So you need to explain to them what's going on, but you rely on technology to monitor the rate for your client.
Okay.
The client will love that. The client will love that because they can monitor the rate themselves.
Yeah.
They will tell you when to lock the rate. And it's happened to me in the past when my client call me and complain and they say, Thuan, rate was good yesterday, but you didn't call me to lock the rate. Now rate got worse and I'm not happy. Can you honor the yesterday rate? You know, it's like your responsibility. And that is, the client is correct though. They don't know about the rate. They don't know anything. It's your job to help them, inform them the rate every day. But then most loan officers don't have the time or don't have the energy or the tool to update the client the rate every day. And that's the mistake that they do. So with Loan Factory, you can rely on our technology. We send them the rate alert every day to inform them the rate so that they can tell you when to lock the rate.
Perfect.
So any question? Hey, Angie.
Hi, I have a quick question. What's going to happen to that if you already have some Google reviews? So do you guys transfer to Loan Factory or how that works?
Keep it. It's your Google review. Keep it.
Okay.
Google review is over yours. If you don't have it, they help you. If you have it already, perfect. Keep it and grow it.
Okay.
You know? Yeah.
Okay. Doesn't go with the company, goes with your name. It's individual. Okay.
You own it. You own
Okay.
it.
All right.
And when, let's say in the future, you leave Loan Factory, you take it with you because you own it. The account is created by you. The account was Google created by you, not Loan Factory.
All right. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. We trying to help. We're trying to help you. Hi, George.
Yeah, about the Google reviews, I thought you needed like a brick and mortar location in
Yeah.
order to get Google reviews. How do you get them when you don't? That's news to me.
You can create a Google review account even though you don't have a physical office. You can use your home address. You can use your home. You don't have to disclose your home address, but you can use your home as an office. Google allow that, and we help so many loan officers with that too.
Awesome. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate that.
Thank you. Hey, Jenny.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, you have a question for me?
Yeah, as far as we mentioned earlier about the, I guess the automated rate, sending the rate to the customer every morning.
Yes.
Is that an AI generated, and we don't have to do that, or the loan
It's
officer?
super easy. When you have a loan, you
Uh-huh.
can run the pricing here,
Mhm.
right? And then you can click here to create a rate alert. That's it.
Oh, okay.
You need to fill out their name and email and phone number. It's optional. That's it. It's
Okay.
really simple. And you can set it so when the target hit or daily or weekly, you can set it to real time too.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's very easy and simple, and it linked to the loan. So let me summarize that. Our technology not only powerful, but it allows the consumer to do most of the process themselves. They check the rate, they fill out application, they upload document, you create rate alert for them, they monitor the rate, they tell you when to lock the rate, they know exactly what are the conditions from the lender. So the borrower is actually in control of the process. You are their assistant. They do everything. And in a complicated process, if you can make it become a simple process where they can be in control, they understand, they will love it. And they will never blame you. And they will always give you 5-star review, because never your fault. If the lender deny their loan, just be upfront with them and blame the lender. Lender is too difficult. They come up with this condition. And if you cannot satisfy this condition, it's your fault. If the condition is unreasonable, it's the lender's fault. It's never your fault. So the client will never get mad at you, right? So we come up with a system that we never allow any client to complain. And that's why the client love us and they give us 5-star review. And think about this. You are in a service business. You are serving your client. And if all of your clients are happy with you, for sure your business will pick up and grow. But if you have a business where clients keep finding things that they are not happy with you, they keep complaining, how can you grow your business, right? So that's why at Loan Factory we solve problem. So one more example, trigger lead, right? When you pull credit report at your company right now, it is likely that all the loan officer will call your client and try to steal it because trigger lead, right? As soon as you pull the credit report, it trigger. Loan officer, they buy lead, they will call your clients. At Loan Factory, we stop that. We stop that. So when the client fill out the application, we have a team to put their phone number and email in the do not call list. That way, we stop all the call automatically every night, every day. We do that. So whenever we run into a problem, we solve it. That way, we can grow our business. Our business is getting better and better. So we utilize technology. We are working on having AI to do a lot more for us. So for example, the client or you or the processor upload a document, let's say bank statement, and it's missing one page. AI can detect it and pop up a message and say, this document missing one page. You know right away and fix it right away. You don't have to wait to submit to the lender, have them review it and come back with new condition. So for example, you upload a proof of insurance but the coverage is not sufficient, right? So AI can detect that and send you a message right away. Say the revenue coverage is too low compared to the loan amount or the replacement value. So the AI can do this for you real time and save you money and time, save you a lot of trouble. And this is the reason why out of our loan we close on time, no problem. What is better than that, right? And not a lot of hassle as well. The client, they got informed right away what's going on right away. We don't have to go back and forth, asking for more documents. And we have turn time too. So when the loan is ready to go, we will submit to the lender within 4 hours. We have turn time. We don't delay your loan. So, and the processor, you work with the processor one-to-one. They will be your processor. They are your assistant. They work with you, they understand you, they help you. So that's why we do things better than our competitor. And let me share with you a few more things. The marketplace is amazing. We also, let me share with you. You can keep track of your referral realtors and you can maintain a relationship with them. You can, on your referral realtor, you can create a flag, a follow-up flag. You can add a follow-up flag and have it wake up like next week. And then on this, you can say, call this realtor to update him about blah, blah, blah. And then this will allow you to check to see if any overdue flag. Commission request is where you can request a commission when the loan is closed. And then we pay you. We pay twice a week for 1099, but actually we pay every day. We try to pay every day now. And then W2 we pay weekly. You can create a ticket for anything. You can create a ticket to assign to this department, and we will get back to you. We have a turn time too for every department. Like underwriting, we have 8 business hours. And then Facebook ads is really cool. Some of you might heard about lead hackers, and you have to pay $300 a month to use that software. We build something same, or even better for you. So you can create a new Facebook ads. It's three click, basically. You can pick the template. You can promote the 1% down payment or hit lock or refinance, you can, or 1% down payment in Spanish. Or we can create a new one for you. If you want to run an ad in your language, let's say Portuguese or Russian, we can do that for you for free. We can create a template for you. We have $1,000 back, 2-1 buy down. These are the templates that you can pick and run. You select on it and you set the budget, daily budget $10, and when you want to end it. Everything we fill out for you. The license state will fill out for you. You can target, you can add more what you want to target, and you can receive a notification to your cell phone when a new lead is created, so that you can call the lead right away. You can check it and submit, and we'll run for you. See how easy it is to run Facebook ads. Marketing materials. So we have a lot of marketing materials for you to post. You can promote VA, Rocket Purchase Plus program, USDA, FHA VA, Cow FHA, Hometown Hero, the SCR. There's Texas first-time buyer program. There's so many different material where you can use to customize by clicking it. All you need to do is click on it and you can generate the image with your name, your information, your picture on it. There's a lot of cool program. Like if you click on it, this will be generated for you so that you can post it.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, a lot of marketing material for you. Or you can post a rate and chart. You can generate this 30-year chart rate to promote it. Or on a holiday, you can generate a holiday image to post. You can generate a review. Click on generate, and you can see, you can have a material to promote your review. So everything is, or you can, if you close the loan in 5 days, 14 days, 8 days, you can generate it and promote it. So we have this tool to help you. Email drip campaign is something you asked earlier. So on holiday, it will go out automatically for you. All you need to do is turn it on. It will send to all your clients, all of them. The one that close loan and not close loan, send to all of them. These holiday reading or referral realtor. The follow-up campaign, you can turn it on like anniversary, 1 year. You can turn it on a closed loan. And here's the email. Yeah, you can basically pick the referral realtor or client, or lead or prospect. You can pick the status and all that. You can target them. You can drip them on a regular schedule. So, hi Jenny.
Hi. Yeah. From the time that the client fill out the application online, what if they uploaded the file? I mean, the document, and it's incomplete. Would the AI would let you know, right? And then
right now, the client know about that, and you should know about that. You don't need AI to tell you. So as a loan officer, you need to monitor your pipeline every day. And when the client fill out the application, you get notified. You should log in and monitor and work with your client closely. AI doesn't need to tell you. But let me share with you this sandbox. I cannot show you the production because for privacy, I cannot show the client information. So I have to use this sandbox server. And you can see that when the borrower fill out application, you can log in, it becomes your prospect. And you can see all the application here. The data created, the data updated, the loan amount, the loan type. You can see the status, is it completed or not? Like 16% completed right here, application. You can see the to-do, the system generate the to-do for the client. You can click on that, you can see that the borrower have 11 to do, and they did not upload the document. And then loan owner, which is you, have some to do. So the system will do all of this automatically for you. So the client will know what to upload. Then you can create rate alert for that.
so when you create a rate alert, what does it do? Okay, that's when you send them the daily rate. Okay.
Exactly. Exactly. But the goal is always push your client to finish the application, or you finish it for them. So finish the application first. Make sure they upload all documents, right? That when you have those two, then you can submit the loan to the lender. Then you can review their qualification. You can determine which lender to send the loan to. Then you can have the processor submit the loan for you. So you need to work on this pipeline every day. Make sure you go through every single client every day and push it forward. Make sure finish the application and upload all the documents. That's your goal.
So from the time that the client complete the application, everything's uploaded, and then you submit it in to the lender. How long does it take for it to come back to you, like the result with the condition?
Most lenders are very fast right now. and it's within 24 hours.
Oh, wow, that's quick.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, thank you, Jenny. Hi, Duane.
Hi, just a quick question. I want to go back to the website. If let's say I come on board and I join a team, will I get my individual website or is it a shared website?
Yes, you have your own individual website.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Raz. Hello, Raz.
Hi, thanks for getting to me. I had a question regarding the rate lock thing. If a client locks a rate and decides that, okay, they want to change the rate in a couple of days, what is the charge? What is the cost to do that?
We cannot change the rate. Lender won't allow that.
Sounds good.
So as the broker, when rate change, of course, rate change every day. So if it changes just a little bit, it's not worth it to do anything. So you need to tell your borrower that once we lock the rate, we're gonna change it. And tell them that if rate drop a lot, then you can resubmit the loan to a different lender.
Okay.
To set a rate for them. Yes.
Okay. And just another question regarding the loan approval. So if a borrower puts an application, but needs a pre-approval as they have not confirmed the property yet. So how long does the pre-approval last, or can we give them a pre-approval?
Yes, yes. So you can issue the pre-approval letter from our system, and it's really fast. When make sure you finish the application and upload document. After you review everything and calculate DTI, you can go to action and issue them the pre-approval letter.
Okay.
Or you can send the whole package to the lender, like Rocket. They will underwrite the loan and issue the pre-approval letter for you.
Got you. And how long is it valid until the pre-approval?
Normally, I put it at 90 days.
Got you. Sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Russ. Okay. Jenny, you still have your hand up?
Yeah, I had a question. So for a new agent, you provide for training, and then how often is
If you knew, I still recommend you to join a team or a mentor.
okay.
So that can help you.
Okay.
And the best way to learn is always have some transaction. When you are owner of the transaction, you learn so much. So for me, when I start a business, I know what is the most important for me is the experience, not money. So what I did is I go out there, I promote to all my family and friends so that they send me the business. I told them that I would beat any offer, any rate, because I'm willing to do it for free. Because my goal was to gain the experience and to gain the trust of my client. Build my reputation, which is I'm gonna work very hard. I'm gonna give you the best rate. And I can learn so much when I'm helping you. I know that myself. So if you, let's say compare two scenarios. One scenario is you demand 2% compensation and you barely have any transaction to close. Versus another scenario when you're willing to work for free. And every month you close 3 or 5 transactions. After 3 months, you're gonna become an expert because you have so much experience. And when you become an expert, it's so easy to get more clients and make more money. So that's why my advice for all of you is to become an experienced loan officer. Become so good that the client, when they talk to you, they know right away. They know that you are good and they will choose you as their loan officer. That's what you want, So just like me, I have so much experience. I talk to so many thousand clients. that when I talk to my client, they love to talk to me. They love to do business with me. I know what they want. I know what they're looking for. I know what to tell them. You know, I kind of understand what is going on in their mind already, because I deal with so many borrowers. I know what are their concerns, what are they looking for, what do they want, you know. So it's easier when I understand the client. I talk in their language. I tell them what they want to hear. You know, it's easier that way. So that's why when you work with me, you can learn from me. And that is one of the benefits. Then working with some broker or lender, nobody care about you. You know, I want you to be successful. And we have a team to help you too. When your processor or you run into problem, you can create a ticket, you can escalate. And our manager or even me might jump in to help you.
Okay.
Hi, Grissom. Hello, Grissom.
Hi, I'm new at this. I was, I just finished my state test. So to be a new person, how long would the training be before I could get my own, set up and start?
We can set you up really quickly, a few hours. You're done. You're ready to go. Our system is fully automated, so we can onboard you quickly. The only delay is from the state. They have to approve our sponsorship of you.
I do.
Yeah.
I'm sponsored with another mortgage place here that was really shitty.
Mhm.
And I had to do the surety bond and all that stuff. So you would need all that.
You don't have to buy surety bond. Save the
No?
money. No, that company don't know anything and wasting money.
Well,
You
through the
work with them?
NMLS, I believe you needed that.
No. You can use the company's surety bond.
That's
Save you
true.
money. Yeah,
That's
yeah,
true.
yeah. All of our loan officers don't have to buy surety bond.
Good to know.
Yeah,
That is
yeah. There's a
expensive.
lot more benefit. That's why you work with us. We know so much. We can tell you what to do, save you money and time. And our technology is so good. We simplify the process, and that will help you as a new loan officer. You don't have so much barrier to entry. You can become a good loan officer in a very short period of time, because technology can simplify many things and make so many problems go away. So you can become an experienced loan officer quickly. You can originate right away, and you can be. What I see the biggest problem is the confidence.
Oh,
Most loan officers don't have the confidence, and I think that is the biggest problem for most of you.
I
But
think
if
I
you,
have confidence. It's just so many people do different things. Like where I was working, it was only the DSCR, first time home buyer, and
that's right.
I already see it.
To be honest with you, even experienced loan officer are struggling with non-QM loan. So, and we help you by making it simple for you. Don't worry. Whenever you run into non-QM loans, our underwriter will stand by and help you, make things easier for you. So that's why you should have the confidence.
I have confidence.
If you work with another company,
Yeah.
where you don't have the advice from the underwriter, you will struggle. Even though you have confidence, but you will struggle. You don't know which lender to go to. You don't know which loan program you should apply with. But with our underwriter, they can help you problem solve. So that's why I said that at Loan Factor, we make everything simple for you and empower you.
I love it. Thank you.
Hi, friends.
Hey there, how are you this evening? Thank you for your time. With that said, I'm actually kind of got the opposite question. So I come from the non-QM commercial space side, and I'm sitting for my license in 2 weeks. So knock on wood there. I'm wondering if I should, start the onboard process now, or wait till I've gone and finished up the exam, finished up the licensing admin stuff first.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
You have to have a license so that we can sponsor you.
Okay, so
as soon as you have a license, you have a license, we will sponsor you and create an account for you and have you onboarded right away. So
Perfect.
it's easy, fast. Yeah. Thank you,
Okay.
Frank. Thank you. So here, let me continue with all the features that we have. We have a mailing list where you can create it, and you can see how many people in the mailing list. Some of the mailing lists that we have like 30,000 people, and you can send email to them quickly. You click on the here and send out the email. So a mailing list is really powerful, and most loan officers don't use it. And I feel it's we losing the opportunity because you need to communicate to your clients and your realtor all the times. That's how we build relationship. That's how we get more business. So you need to do it correctly. If you run a business and you do everything correctly, your business will take off. If you run the business, if you are in the business and you don't even aware, you don't know what to do, you don't do whatever needed, how are you going to get the business, right? So let's see what else. We have a lot of important setting, like if you have a real estate agent license, the system will disclose for you. We issue the dual capacity disclosure to the client. You can set up your commission. You can set up your target compensation. You can set up marketing setting, Facebook ads, team mentorship. You can go in and set up all of this. Let's see what credential. We will create some account for you with the lender, with the credit agency. What else?
So we can sell real estate and do loan as well?
Yes, you can do both.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. And you can opt out. You can have people opt out, conversation history. There's a lot of feature. And we also have AI. You click on it, you can basically ask anything. Like, how many loan applications do I have? You can ask guy-like question. You can ask for the rate code. You can ask for any question about loan factory. You can ask AI to create an application for you. So it's just like our AI, we build an AI to help you. You can ask anything here.
Okay.
So, and then we also have an academy for you to learn too, an academy. And it's free.
The academy is the training? Oh, okay, the training.
Yes, online training is free.
Okay, thank you.
Resources. We go to resources, there's a lot to learn. You can add more state. And if you are a broker right now, broker owner, you still can work with Loan Factory. You can keep your own company in your state and then work with Loan Factory in other state. That allows you to expand your business. There's a lot going on, but I want to open up for questions. Any question you have, I would love to answer. Hello, Duane.
Hi, hello again. So I have a question, kind of focusing or actually piggybacking off of Fran. So currently now I have my license, but I let it expire and it's up for renewal, or should I say it's set to expire in March. And they gave me a blueprint of a lot of steps to take. And I don't know if I can take this offline, or is there anything that I need to do?
Yeah, there's late CE. There's late CE. We secure a discount from a school, so you can reach out to our staff. We will share with you the link, and it's cheap. You can take that and you can renew late. There's instruction to do that. Yeah.
Because they said I don't have to take a class. There's just fees.
Oh, did you take the CE or not? It's up to you. If you took the CE already, all you need to do is probably pay the late fee or so to renew.
Yeah.
Depends.
Definitely.
Sure. Yeah.
I'll speak with the recruiter about it. There's more that I don't want to take up too much time, but I'll speak with your recruiter and then kind of go over that.
Yeah, that's the call NMLS and ask them directly. But don't lose your license, because I feel that it's happened all the time. During the bad time, a lot of loan officers left the industry, but when the market returns, it's golden, make a lot of money. So it's always the case, and I recommend you not to lose your license. The worst, I mean, even if you have to get another job now, you can do that, but you can do loan on the side to make more money. And what happened to me is when I started the business, after 1 year of struggling, I have to go back and get a full-time job, an engineer job, but I still do loan on the side for 3.5 years. And during that 3.5 years, I grow my mortgage business up to a point that I make so much money that I quit my full-time job. So don't give up your license. You earn it. You have it. Keep it. And keeping a license is so easy. Yeah.
Absolutely. You're right. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Nguyen. Hey, Ras.
Hi, I think you already mentioned this, but I just want to reconfirm. I have a lot. I mean, I've applied for a license in Alaska. I mean, I've already passed the test. Having said that, if I have a client or a borrower in a state that I'm not licensed, like Texas or anywhere else, how do I go about getting my client to the right person? And do I get any kind of a sharing of the commission or the fees?
Yeah, that is a little tricky. If you don't have a license, you cannot get paid. The only exception is if you are a W-2 LO, then we can pay you a referral bonus.
Okay.
And if you are 1099 LO, you can. My recommendation is to form a team so that you can help each other, or you can get the license in Texas. It's easy. So I recommend most loan officers to have license in 2 or 3 states so that you can expand your business.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rex. Thank you. Hi, Sophia.
Hi. Yes, I wanted to know if we can like create our own personal brand. Like, can we create our own website with our own domain name, or do we need to create it on loanfactory.com and use the loanfactory.com domain like for our email?
Good question. In fact, you have your own domain name. We encourage you to have your own domain name. You can purchase it at GoDaddy.com. You purchase it, you own your own domain name. And the website that we created for you, you can use your own domain name. So your website have nothing to do with Loan Factory. We don't create any link back to our loanfactory.com. Your website is yours, everything yours.
And what about email?
Email, you have to use company email by law for compliance. We have to supervise you. You have to use company email. That is the law. That is the law. Yeah, thank you. Any more questions for me? Please ask me.
Yeah, so this is Jeannie. So for me, I do have a license already. How do I join your company? How do I start?
It's very easy. Our onboarding specialist will work with you, but the step is very simple. All you need to do is log into NMLS and request us to sponsor you, and you also have to update your employment. You end date the other employment, and you say you started working with us. That's it. And then Loan Factory will also sponsor you.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
How about for real estate side? Do you?
Real estate, you have to work with a real estate company. We don't do real estate.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Jenny. Thank you. I guess you are in California, right?
Yes, I am. I'm in California. I'm in Riverside area.
Yeah, California is a little special where most realtors can do loan. So basically, when you do both, I recommend you to obtain loan license with the FBI and hang that license with us, with Loan Factory. And your DRE license, you hang it with a real estate brokerage so that you can do real estate with them.
Okay.
Two separate licenses. Yeah.
Yeah, I do have two separate one. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Jenny.
Thank you.
Hi, Robert.
Hi, thank you for taking me up here. I have a question. I used to be a loan officer years ago, many years ago, and I actually was almost in a homeless situation, recovering everything but I'm getting help with the VA as far as getting my license fees and the fees also for the testing and everything I need. However, this program is only allowing me to have a grant, which means I need to find someone who can accept the payment for these courses and the fees paid through a grant. Do you know of anything where I could go to tap into that kind of a resource?
I really don't know. It's kind of very new to me. But if you can share with us through the email to our onboarding specialist, we will try to find an answer for you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Robert. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. So basically, everyone, I hope you learned a lot about Loan Factory, about me. But I think more importantly, I want all of you to be more mindful with your business. You know, look at how you do business compared to other like Loan Factory or me. And you need to make sure you have a good business model. You need to do marketing. You need to use the technology. You need to learn from other people. You need to be so active if you want to be successful in this business. So, and that's why I want you to compare your company versus Loan Factory. Compare what we can offer you so that you can be empowered. You can go out there and compete against anyone. So we know that in any business, especially mortgage, we need to have good pricing and good service. If you have both and the technology, you will win. But if you work for a company that they don't have their own technology, you have to purchase the technology and you keep running into problem. Nobody help you, nobody mentor you, nobody support you. How are you gonna be successful? You're gonna be struggling over and over. So that is my advice for you. Always try to find a way to improve your business and grow your business. If your business got stuck, if you run into problem and you cannot find a solution or no one help you find a solution, then that is not good. So that is the bottom line. I want all of you to learn, to know. And I would like to say thank you for spending time with me. Feel free to reach out to us, to me anytime. I love to be connected with you on social media. I think all of you should be active on social media. I know that most of you are not, but you should slowly become active on social media. First, by making a lot of friends, and then start posting comment. You know, do little and little and increase that. You will realize how important it is to have good relationship, to have a lot of connection with other people around you. I think social media is important, very important, and most loan officers are not doing enough on social media. Hi, Ras.
Hey, just wanted to thank you for all the information and appreciate all your time that you're giving us.
Thank you, Ras. Thank you. Hi, Tuer. Hello, Tuer.
Oh, hi. Yes. Hi. Sorry. Thank you for all your help. But I have one additional question about social media. I'm the one that's really poor at it. But I want to know, do we have to create, or is it best to create a business page, or you market on your personal social media site, like Facebook, or how does that work?
My recommendation is using your personal profile. don't create a page.
Okay.
Don't create a business page.
Okay.
Make it
Okay.
mix between personal and business. That's the best way. But you can, it's fine to focus on personal and sometimes post some business in there. Because when you are new like this, your friends and family are the ones that support you. They will support you. They are the one, they will be your clients, the few clients. So you don't make the personal profile and try to post every day. Just be yourself. Be friendly, be happy, and connect and make a lot of friends.
But one caveat to that is all my friends and family live in a state I don't live in anymore and not licensed in.
And try to make a lot of friends. Try to add like 25 friends every day.
Okay.
Make a lot of friends. A lot of friends.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, how do you find friends to add?
It's so easy. Yeah. There's a lot of.
For somebody who knows how. It's easy for those who know how. But where do you find them?
Listen to me. Listen to me. It's very easy. So there's a lot of group out there, special interest group, like Vietnamese. Let's say Vietnamese in San Jose, Vietnamese in Houston. If you are belong to any special group like ethic or occupancy or anything, or even mortgage, you can join the group. And when you are in the group, there's hundreds of thousands of members in there. And whoever active, whoever posts a lot, you click on it and request friend. Just do that. Easy.
Okay. Okay, gotcha. Thank you.
Yeah. Or yeah, there's tons of group out there, and you need to target professional like yourself, loan officer. You need to target potential client, whoever look like you or have similar background like you. Join those group, try those group, and join them and be friends with them. They can be your clients. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thanks a bunch. Appreciate it.
You. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your time. And like I said, I hope you find it helpful. If you want, you can come back for next week. I keep sharing. It can be the same or it can be slightly different webinar, but it's up to you if you want to learn more. And especially if you work with Loan Factory, you get everything that we built, and you will be empowered. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Thuan. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.